That's what it looked like before?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow. I'm not mad about this.
So I'll tell you something that I didn't even say on my video.
Yeah?
On the shutdown, I actually went into the dirt because I couldn't see.
That's dangerous.
That's about what the tuner can do with the tuner legs. Tuner's sitting on until we get 5.
I like Albacore.
Tuner I
Albacore. With a big white chunk. Oh, thank you. Wow. I'm not mad about this. You gotta watch me, dude. Before you know it, this car's gonna be shiny. No one's gonna recognize it. They'll be like, what did you do with it?
I'll be real impressed.
What did you do with the Camaro?
That headlight looks freaking phenomenal though.
Dude, I'm not mad about it.
So I'll tell you something that I didn't even say on my video.
Yeah?
On the shutdown, I actually went into the dirt because I couldn't see.
That's dangerous.
Yeah, I kept it off the wall, but you know, I touched the dirt a little bit. Gets dark up there, and then the headlights are pretty shot.
I feel like we should maybe put some LED bulbs in here.
You're not
It's
wrong.
not a bad idea.
You're not wrong. Probably should get some of those on order. And it's funny too, because like I went in slow, like into the dirt, really slow, but like it was off of 167 mile an hour pass, so my slow was probably actually still like 50 miles an hour. But it felt like I was going slow at that point because
You slower.
yeah, slower.
Man.
Hi, appreciate you.
Hey, you know,
Appreciate you, love.
I do what I can with what I got.
That's all we can do.
Yeah, buddy. Wow, you can really see when you look from this angle. Sometimes when you're in the middle of it, you're like, did it really make it that much better? And then you look at them side to side, and it's like, wow. Amazing. Okay, time for the next side. Fun stuff.
Goodness, Mitchell took so long.
I might accidentally buff the bumper a little bit and see what happens. No promises.
Got a long week ahead of us.
That we do. I still have a turbo kit to build. This was a wise use of this time because I intended on doing this anyway. And I couldn't really do anything else to that.
My golden retriever would make a good buffer.
Millie. Hey, Millie, come here. Let me soak your tail in compound. I'll just sit here and I'll get her tail against it and just tell her over and over she's a good girl. Millie!
Millie, come. Come here.
Come here. Come here. All right, now I'm gonna need you to back up and put your tail on this headlight. Can you do that? Can you do that? I think this is, that's better than my wool pad for sure. Uh-huh, yes it is. Yes.
That's what it looked like before?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I didn't even realize, like,
See, that's why I do it. It's
comparison
the gratification I get
Yeah,
when I'm
wow.
done. It's like
What do you use to do that? Just like some cleaning
Freaking
stuff?
Milwaukee tools.
my magic Milwaukee wand.
It's so good.
Well, thank you.
I did not realize how bad it was until seeing it like that now.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
I'm not mad about it. So it's got this mode 1, which is for polishing, and mode 2 for sander, but it doesn't oscillate, it still just spins. I don't know, it's working really well. I'm very excited about it. Here we are again, yet another Milwaukee tool. This is another one of my favorites. Got some 3000 grit on there. Let's see what this does. So I went to Finish Master to get some pads the other day, and I found out they have a house brand, and I'm quite impressed with it. I haven't used it yet, but it's nice and it's squishy. It fits really well. Recessed area for the Velcro. It's perfect. Let's see what it does. Always shake your compound. Oh no, I didn't mean to. Is it on his toolbox too? It slung the first time I went.
Well, dang. That's a lot more work than I've ever done on the already.
This is worth at least a 10th.
Yeah, I mean, all the arrow now.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Yeah.
Look, I'm just saying, when you run your new PB and don't crash, you'll be like, thank you, Adrian.
I mean,
Not my proudest work, but at least it has a little bit of a glisten. Rudder's got more torque. Hey, you should share. Get it, Millie. Get it. Go get it. Get it. You don't want it? You don't want your toy? Oh. Guys. Uh-huh. Look. She's smart. She knows what your triggers are. Oh. Get it, Millie.